If you're a woman over 50 and still working full time and quietly wondering, will I ever be able to retire? I just want to talk to you for a moment because I know exactly how you feel. That pressure, that worry, the question in the back of your mind, am I going to be okay? A while ago, my life changed in a way that I never expected. I lost my husband. And with that, a loss of an income too. And if you've been through that, you already know that's not just the emotional loss, it's everything that comes with it, the bills, the responsibility, the weight of how are you going to figure it out alone. I'm still working full time as a hairstylist, still showing up every day, still doing what I've always done, but inside, things felt different because now it's just me alone. And I remember thinking, at this stage of my life, shouldn't I feel more secure than I do? I had some savings, but definitely not enough. Some debt, more than I'd like to say, and retirement. I didn't feel real anymore. I felt like something other people had, but not me. So I kept on working. I kept on pushing through. I was tired, not just physically, even though every part of my body is aching these days after 50, but emotionally, worrying about money and remembering at one moment so clearly. I was thinking about the future and it hit me. If nothing changes, this is my life, working, worrying, and trying to keep up. And I just felt that this wave, I don't want this, not like this. I want to feel calm about money. I don't want to have those choices. I want to be able to enjoy my life. I want to not just get through week by week, but I want to be able to take those extra vacations throughout the year. I don't want to have to always be struggling. And that was the moment. That's when everything shifted for me, not because I had answers, but because I finally admitted it to myself. I needed something more. So I made a decision, a quiet one, but not a big dramatic change, just one simple decision that said, I'm going to try, not quit my job, not risk everything, but just try to find a way to make extra income, something that I can do slowly. I wasn't planning on getting rich fast. I wanted to know how I could just create extra income, an income that actually came in by month or income that would just be a steady stream. And that's what I found. I found a program that does, it's teaching me how to create income, multiple income streams. And that is what I was looking for. I was hoping to find something that when I did choose to retire from behind the chair, that I would still be able to do this in the pockets of my day and be able to create income that would just come in monthly, like my monthly bills do. So they would counteract and then be able to have a little bit extra to put towards savings for the fun money, the travel money. So I started to take action. And I'll be honest, I was hesitant at first. I didn't feel confident, and I definitely am not techie. And I didn't have any social media following, and I didn't even really know much about the social media. But I knew I had to get out there and get my message through because I'm not the only widow out there who was struggling. I didn't want to have to be bothering my friends or my family. I have done those in the past, and that's not comfortable in my heart. It was all about learning how to build something online, how to create something simple, some structure. That's what I needed to follow. Something that I could do in just a few hours of the day after work or in the little pockets of my day. So I started. Some days I felt confident and some days I didn't, but I kept going, learning, trying, showing up. And slowly it started to feel like something that I could do long term. It started feeling like I had hope. Now I'm still working full time and that hasn't changed. I still love being behind my chair, but I needed to get extra income. But what has changed is how I feel about the future because now I'm building something that has potential to grow, something that can help replace my income one day and definitely replace the income of my husband's that I had lost. So it's not perfect, but I'm still on this journey and I know no longer feel stuck. I know no longer feel that tug in my heart that I'm going to be behind the eight ball at all times. And I am no longer alone. It has brought me peace. It has brought me a community. They are all there cheering me on, helping me with all of the other things that I have no tech, I already said. So they are helping me with all of that. So if you are watching this and you are feeling the same weight that I was, that same quiet fear about worrying about the money, about the future, I just want you to hear me. You are not behind. You are definitely not out of time. And you are most definitely not alone. And it's okay to start small. It's okay to not have it all figured out, but you deserve to feel hopeful again. You deserve to find a path that will take you forward because there is. I'm walking it right now. One step at a time is all you can do. If you want to know what I have been learning, I've have the link below. I will send you the blueprint. It is free. It walks you through a video teaching you everything you need to know, all the questions you may have. And it's no pressure. If it's not for you, that's great. Unsubscribe. But if you are interested and you want to know what I'm doing, believe me, the blueprint will probably help all the questions you may have. I will see you in the next video.